Hi, thanks for checking out my video today. This is Angelo from Sunlight Media, sunlightmedia.org. We provide web development, web design, internet marketing services. And today I'm just going to show you a project that we completed recently, which is a fashion blog for a local model here in Los Angeles. And she approached us looking for a fashion type blog where she can post some of her photos and maybe some recent photo shoots that she's done, and some of her other work that she wants to showcase, and some of the clothes and shoes and accessories that she wears during these photo shoots. She was also looking for a platform that allows her to update and manage this site as often as she likes. So we decided to go with a WordPress platform. Most of you are probably aware with WordPress. It's one of the most widely used CMS platforms on the market. Allows you to do a bunch of different things. So the site we're looking at is styleesha.com, styleesha.com. As you can see, the home page is simply more like a blog feed type layout, which is what she was looking for. The most recent blog that she posts gets put on the home page at the very top fold of the page, as you see here. And if you click the text, it basically takes you to the complete blog post. And this particular blog here is the baby shower. Alicia had a baby recently, so congratulations to Alicia. So it's got a bunch of different photos here from the baby shower that she was able to upload and post herself. Also allows comments, I believe. So I'm just scrolling down to the bottom of the page here. Some of the images are a little large, so they take a little while to load, but allows users to leave comments on each one of her blog posts as well. Let me go back to the home page here. I think some of the other blog posts here are a little bit more informative, such as this one. There's a little bit more text here, obviously a lot more images. And down the bottom here, you can see that she's added some credits as to some of the clothes and accessories that she's worn here. So dressed by Cool Change. You click, obviously opens up a new page, and it links to that particular clothing designer. Same with sunnies, sunglasses, necklace, etc. So heading back to the home page, and you can also see has some links here. Inspire Me, Budget Babe, Share Your Style, and a link to her Instagram page. We can go through some of these more in detail. Let's click on the Inspire Me. So these are some of the looks and styles that inspire Alicia. She's able again to post images and information in a blog style format that just kind of expresses her thoughts on various fashion styles, models, and etc. Looks, similar type things, more of a photo gallery layout that goes way back into some of her more earlier shoots. If we click on some of the first ones here, it opens up a gallery, allows you to click the image, opens up a lightbox style photo gallery, as you see here, and then you can actually scroll through some of these images as well. If you click outside, obviously it closes it, and we can scroll up and click some more of the gallery style or gallery images that she has here. Lightbox integrates fairly well with WordPress websites. It's simply a matter of installing a Lightbox plugin installing a little script on some of the images, and it gives you this, cool little pop-up feature, which is very common and popular these days. Share your style is a cool little thing that we kind of came up with, and that's more user-generated content, meaning it allows users to kind of share some of their styles and ideas and fashion thoughts. And this is the first post by another model, Sarah Bell, who's posted some of her modeling and fashion images, and it gives the ability for Alicia to look at that and kind of provide her feedback and thoughts and stuff like that. And it's just a cool feature that allows users to interact a little more with the website and with Alicia. Gives her the opportunity to share her thoughts and feedback and suggestions and input and all of that kind of stuff. Budget Babe, another page we set up. This one kind of gives users the ability to look at some really cool fashion ideas and clothes and accessories for the more like budget conscious buyers, people that may be on a slightly lower budget and don't have a huge amount of money to spend on clothing and accessories. This allows Alicia to post some information on where women can find cool looking outfits at a reasonably at a reasonable price. This is Forever 21 here, I believe. They have some pretty cool deals. Let me see what the second one is here. Zara, again, Forever 21. So another cool page that allows Alicia to post some ideas and links to websites and stores where people can find cool clothing at a good budget. Video, still working on the video page, but this is obviously going to be more of a video style blog. I think Alicia's planning to do some video blogs of certain fashion accessories, maybe talk a little bit more in depth about her clothing and her style and fashion shoots, and post those kind of videos to YouTube and then easily embed them within her WordPress site here as well. Good thing about WordPress, again, it allows you to integrate videos and images and stuff relatively easily through the WordPress Dashboard, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Contact page, fairly self-explanatory, simple contact form. We integrated image capture so she doesn't get inundated with spam. The contents of this form get sent to her in an email, and then she can reply directly to that user through her email account. And then there's a drop-down option here, which is the About, basically leads to the same page. Some information on Alicia's modeling career and all of that good stuff. Social media links, linking to her social pages. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Let's have a look at the WordPress dashboard real quick. Let me see if we can log in here. Okay, so some of you might be familiar with the WordPress dashboard. Very intuitive, easy to use kind of platform. Basically, all the posts, all the fashion blogs are outlined here in a post section. She can basically, add a new post, which basically gives you the ability to add a title, give it some description. You can copy and paste your text into here. You can add media in the actual blog post by clicking the Add Media button. Opens up the media library. Gives you the ability to upload files from your computer if you need to, or select them from the existing media library. You can also insert them from a URL, meaning if there's an image online that you want to use, you just copy and paste the image URL here, and that'll insert it into the blog for you. Categories are assigned here, so if it's a standard blog, she'll assign it to the blog. If it's one of the subcategories, Budget Babe, Inspire Me, or Share Your Style, it'll be assigned to one of those. And then there's a travel post and videos, which is some other features that we're integrating in the next phase. We've also installed a really cool plugin called WordPress SEO by Yoast, and that basically allows you to control a lot of the SEO features of WordPress, such as the keywords, the title of the blog post, and then the meta description, which are all very important features in search engine optimization, and giving you the ability to gain more exposure through the search engines through the use of this cool plugin. We won't go into too much detail on that right now, but yeah, very cool feature. So posts, the media section again, which we looked at, pages. These are more the informative pages, so the contact, the about, the looks, travel and video pages can all be managed here as well. So if Alicia wants to update her bio, for instance, she can just click that about page and then just simply edit the text here, switch out the image if she wants to. It clicks this update button and it's live. Changes are published immediately. So really great way for her to manage pages, blogs, and content as she needs. So a lot of cool other features of WordPress which we can go into in a different video perhaps, but allows you to install plugins. Plugins vary. You can find plugins that allow you to add social media links and features, contact forms, social shares, all that kind of stuff is available through the plugin interface. To add a new one, you simply click on add new. You can search plugins through this little search field here, and then it's really just a one-click installation and the plugin's installed. And then sometimes it gives you the option to control the settings of the plugin through some of the side menu options here. Other times it'll show up in the settings menu with a fly up menu here, such as Facebook members and stuff like that. But really cool feature. One thing you need to be aware of with plugins is you don't want to install far too many plugins, because it can slow down the site a little bit. We recommend keeping it under 10, making sure that they're plugins that are important to you and that you're going to use as often as possible. So just something to be aware of there with plugins, not to kind of overload your WordPress site where it can slow down the load speed of your website. So one thing to keep in mind. So that's pretty much it. That's a fashion blog website. This is a custom website we created using WordPress. Design was done in Photoshop. We started by creating 3 different mocks of Alicia's homepage. She selected one. We provided an unlimited amount of revisions during the design, and then once she signed off, we went ahead and did the interior page mocks. Same process, unlimited revisions during the design phase. Once she signed off on the design, we went ahead and began development. Obviously, we splice the design files into HTML. We make them mobile responsive, so this website will format correctly for any mobile device or tablet. And then we integrate the pages into the WordPress platform, which gives the administrator, in this case Alicia, the ability to manage her site relatively easy. So thanks for watching. Again, if you're looking for a fashion blog type site, feel free to hit us up, sunlightmedia.org. I'm Angelo. Have a great day.